Cold frame gardening, unlocking year-round harvests. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's perfect for gardening enthusiasts and anyone interested in sustainable living: cold frame gardening. Whether you have a green thumb or are just starting out, understanding how to utilize a cold frame can extend your growing season and bring fresh produce to your table all year round. Let's explore how this simple structure can make a big difference in your garden. Cold frame gardening involves using a simple, transparent roofed enclosure to protect plants from cold weather. Think of it as a mini greenhouse that traps heat from the sun, creating a microclimate that can be several degrees warmer than the outside air. This natural heating system allows you to grow vegetables, herbs, and flowers even when it's too cold for them outside. Cold frames are typically made of wooden or metal frames with a clear top, often old windows or plastic sheets, to let in sunlight. Extending the growing season. One of the biggest advantages of cold frame gardening is its ability to extend the growing season. You can start seeds earlier in the spring and keep vegetables growing well into the fall or even winter, depending on your location. Protection from weather. Cold frames shield your plants from harsh weather conditions like wind, heavy rain, and snow. This protection can be crucial for young plants that are more vulnerable to weather damage. Pest control. By providing a barrier between your plants and the outside world, cold frames can also help reduce problems with pests. This means less reliance on chemical pesticides, leading to a healthier garden and environment. Setting up and using a cold frame is simple, but there are a few key tips to keep in mind. 1. Location. Place your cold frame in a sunny, south-facing location to maximize sunlight exposure. This is crucial for keeping the inside warm enough for your plants. 2. Ventilation. On sunny days, the temperature inside a cold frame can rise quickly. To prevent overheating, it's important to prop open the lid during the day and close it at night. 3. Watering. Plants in a cold frame may require less water than those outside, but they still need regular checks to ensure they're not too dry. Cold frame gardening is a simple, effective way to enjoy gardening all year round. By extending the growing season, protecting plants from adverse weather, and reducing pest problems, cold frames offer a multitude of benefits for gardeners of all levels. We hope this video inspires you to give cold frame gardening a try and experience the joy of harvesting your own fresh produce even in the coldest months. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.